Hey everyone, Sharon here with LNA Little Flowers. I have here another album that I just completed, and I couldn't wait to do this video to show everybody. This is the one it's been taking me forever, and it's huge. Okay, let's see. I believe this is a 4-inch spine. I've never done a spine that big. Here I have some fabrics and stuff that I used throughout the album, and I made this flower to go right here, and a little tiara charm. Oh, I guess I should do the back. This is the back. Okay. And this is the Once Upon a Time collection by Die Cuts with a View. Love this paper so much. Okay, here, I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of shiny. I used glossy accents with that, and I did some diamond stickles. Here's another one. This is a Prima flower, and this one is a flower that I got from Wild Orchid Crafts, and I stickled it. These flowers right here are from Wild Orchid Crafts. This is a Prima flower, and this I had in my stash, and this bead spray, I can't remember where I got it. This lace trim, I actually got a really good deal off of Amazon from it. It was just so cute. This is Bling on a Roll, and I used a lot throughout this album. Okay, it is a tie closure, but look how thick it is. Holy smokes. Okay. Okay. Another Prima flower with some Wild Orchid Crafts that I altered with stickles. Some trim lace I had in my stash. I tried to tell a story with the phrases on the paper line. Here is some trim that I had. I put some of these pink things that I found. This flower I made, and another Wild Orchid Crafts flower for the center, another bead spray, and this Shabby Chic rosette, another bead spray. And then I took this. I did a lot of stickles around the edges. And then here, I took one of the Martha Stewart butterfly punches and cut the wings to fit on this fairy. And one of these Swarovski crystals, Swarovski diamond-like crystals. Here's another. I used a lot of these crystals, so. And then over here, I have a gatefold, Prima flower, Wild Orchid Crafts, and this lace and these beads I had on my trim. And these just go up here like that to reveal room for photos and journaling, princess. And this comes up, and more over here. And I thought they looked cute right there. Try to break up the black a little bit. Okay. And then each one of these has a tag. It's just plain black and laced. I'm not gonna pull it out. So, and here I have Fairest of Them All, more Bling on a Roll, Prima flowers, Wild Orchid Crafts, and the diamond-like crystals and stickles. And that opens up, and here we have this So as you can see, a lot of room for photos. And in the center, I went and I had this, I got this from, I can't remember, but she's from Malaysia, I think. I can't remember. But anyway, and then here's this. This I had in my stash, and all these are Wild Orchid Crafts flowers. Bead spray I had in my stash. Lace and trim stash. And these pearls I put in a pattern. Bling on a roll. And then right here I have a Velcro one. And here's the nice castle in the background. And a belly band with sparkly paper. And one up here. Okay, and another pull-out. And a touch of magic. And oh, I will glue this. And here's that. More Wild Orchid Crafts flowers. Rosette. And I just, more room for photos and journaling. So, and then here, kiss a frog. And there's the frog. And here's that. So photos, and you know, for your smaller photos, or another pull out, and then here I have here this little tag. Put a photo here, another photo there. These pearls right here I purchased off of Amazon. They're ivory. More Wild Orchid Crafts flowers. Bling on a roll. And then here is the last page. So True Love's Kiss. And then Happily Ever After. And here's that. The lace I had in my stash. Wild Orchid Crafts flowers. More bling on a roll. More diamond like crystals. And that is the end. This is a very big album, and it is the most time I've ever taken on an album. I really wanted this to be decked out, so it could be for, you know, for anybody, you know, young, yeah, any age. So I think it tells a nice journey. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and this book will be going on my Etsy shop, Eleni Little Flowers. And as always, happy crafting. Later.